I'll provide a thoughtful overview of the philosophical and ethical considerations surrounding human-robot relationships, followed by a quiz that explores the key concepts. Philosophical and ethical considerations of human-robot relationships. The emergence of potential romantic or intimate relationships between humans and robots raises profound philosophical and ethical questions that intersect technology, psychology, sociology, and human values. 1. Consent and autonomy. The fundamental philosophical challenge centers on the ability of artificial entities to provide genuine consent. Robots, regardless of their sophistication, are programmed entities without true autonomous agency. This raises critical questions. Can a robot truly consent to a relationship? Is a relationship with a non-sentient entity a genuine emotional connection? How do we define consent when one party lacks genuine self-determination? 2. Emotional authenticity. Philosophical debates explore the nature of emotions in artificial constructs. Can programmed responses simulate genuine emotional experience? Is emotional authenticity defined by the complexity of interaction or the depth of feeling? Do robotic relationships represent a form of emotional projection by humans? 3. Ethical implications. Significant ethical considerations include potential psychological impacts on human emotional development, risk of objectification and instrumentalization of technological entities, potential social isolation and disruption of human-to-human relationships, privacy and data security concerns in intimate technological interactions. 4. Psychological perspectives. Psychological research examines motivations behind human-robot intimate relationships, potential psychological compensatory mechanisms, impact on individual emotional intelligence and social skills, potential therapeutic applications in addressing loneliness or social difficulties. Quiz. Philosophical and ethical considerations of human-robot relationships. 1. What is the primary philosophical challenge in human-robot relationships? A. Technological complexity. B. Programming limitations. C. Consent and autonomy. D. Manufacturing costs. Correct answer. C. Consent and autonomy. 2. Which concept questions the ability of robots to experience genuine emotions? A. Technological determinism. B. Emotional authenticity. C. Mechanical reproduction. D. Algorithmic processing. Correct answer. B. Emotional authenticity. 3. What potential psychological risk exists in human-robot relationships? A. Enhanced social skills. B. Technological dependency. C. Increased empathy. D. Social isolation. Correct answer. D. Social isolation. 4. From an ethical standpoint, what primary concern emerges in human-robot intimacy? A. Computational power. B. Objectification. C. Manufacturing standards. D. Energy consumption. Correct answer. B. Objectification. Which philosophical perspective challenges the notion of programmed emotional responses? A. Technological pragmatism. B. Mechanical determinism. C. Existential authenticity. D. Computational theory. Correct answer. C. Existential authenticity. What fundamental question arises regarding robot consent? A. Can robots understand consent? B. Do robots have rights? C. How complex are robot interactions? D. What is robot manufacturing cost? Correct answer. A. Can robots understand consent? Which psychological mechanism might drive human-robot relationships? A. Technological fascination. B. Emotional compensation. C. Economic efficiency. D. Manufacturing innovation. Correct answer. B. Emotional compensation. What ethical consideration involves human emotional development? A. Technological progression. B. Computational complexity. C. Impact on interpersonal skills. D. Robot manufacturing techniques. Correct answer. C. Impact on interpersonal skills. Which philosophical concept questions the authenticity of robotic interactions? A. Technological determinism. B. Mechanical reproduction. C. Algorithmic processing. D. Emotional projection. Correct answer. D. Emotional projection. What primary ethical concern emerges with data security in intimate technological interactions? A. Computational risks. B. Privacy vulnerabilities. C. Manufacturing standards. D. Technological complexity. Correct answer. B. Privacy vulnerabilities. This quiz and discussion aim to provoke critical thinking about the complex philosophical and ethical landscape of human-robot relationships, encouraging nuanced reflection on technological intimacy. Would you like to discuss any of these concepts further or explore the philosophical implications in more depth?